Hello guys, welcome to Medical Maniac. So today let's talk about what does sugar do to your body. Sugar is one of the most favorite components in everyone's daily dietary intake. Most of the food we see around us has sugar in many forms. The juices we drink, the coke we have, enormous sugar in them. So it is important to understand the amount of sugar we consume in a day. What is the composition of sugar? Sugar is synthesized from sugarcane after bleaching out all the vitamins and minerals in crystal form. It simply consists of only calories or energy and no other good things needed for our body. So it should be regulated well, otherwise it will cause many complications. How much sugar should you take? A teaspoon of sugar is approximately 4 grams. This is approximately 16 calories. If you are a healthy adult female, you can take around 6 tablespoons. That's equivalent to 25 grams of sugar a day. For male, you can have around 9 tablespoons, that is 36 grams of sugar. You can take it without guilt. If you are taking more than this limit, you should note that you are having unhealthy intake. You should understand the danger here. A cola bottle contains approximately 10 tablespoons of sugar. A milkshake we are having has around 4 tablespoons of sugar. How sugar affects your health? Let's understand that. Obesity. The empty calories you are taking get unused if you don't have enough physical activity. It gets accumulated in the body and you become obese. The high calorie fast food chains which tempt you are thus totally unhealthy. High blood pressure. High blood pressure is usually associated with salt intake, but it is to be noted that sugar is worse for blood pressure than salt. Consumption of sugar increases insulin levels. This is in turn activates the sympathetic nervous system, leading to an increase in heart rate and blood pressure. Apart from this, it reduces the sensitivity of the receptors that reduce blood pressure. Finally, sugar depletes ATP, which then leads to constriction of blood vessels and increasing the blood pressure. High cholesterol levels. Sugar consumption raises several markers for cholesterol related diseases. Studies show that people who consumed more added sugars had lower good cholesterol or high density lipoprotein, which we call it as HDL, which works to take up extra bad cholesterol, or LDL or low density lipoprotein, and transport it to the liver. So it is important to keep our HDL levels high. Type 2 diabetes. When you have excess sugar, the body doesn't make enough insulin or does not effectively use the insulin it has made. Insulin is a hormone that takes the sugar from the body or blood into your cells to be stored and used for energy. Fatty liver and non-alcoholic hepatitis. If you are having lots of sugar, the fructose component in it enters the liver as it is processed there. When fructose goes in large amounts, it damages the liver. This is because in the liver, fructose is broken down into fat. Excess of fat causes non-alcoholic fatty liver disease and non-alcoholic steatohepatitis. Cavities in teeth. Excess sugar intake attracts bad bacteria to your mouth. Bacteria feed on sugar and form plaque. If the plaque is not washed away, it damages your enamel and results in cavities. Insomnia. People with high sugar consumption tend to have disturbed nights of sleep. Lots of surveys show similar results, but researchers aren't certain about the cause of this. Intensification of autism. Since autistic children show hyperactivity, it is more important to avoid sugar. This will help them to improve concentration and decrease impulsive behavior. Depression. Too much sugar consumption tends to drain the vitamin B needed for a positive mood. Sugar also affects a person's thyroid hormones, which is directly connected with mood swings. Sugar consumption leads to increased irritability and peaks and drops in energy levels. Gout. Gout is an arthritic condition caused by the deposition of monosodium urate in and around joints. When you have more fructose intake in your diet, it leads to this condition. So to have a healthy life, you need to have an insight into what you consume It is important to create a diet chart and ensure the number of calories, essential nutrients, minerals, and vitamins. Remember, just avoiding a spoonful of sugar will bring down a number of medicines you take. Thank you for watching. We'll meet you on next video of Medical Maniac. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.